Musamseleku's wives Makhumalo Mangwabe and Mayeni were blaming Macele for accepting Makwela because they had an agreement for not accepting the wife number 5. But Macele, she is doing her things on her own. That's why now they are blaming Macele for everything. Macele didn't want Makhumalo Mangwabe Mayeni. When Musamseleku he took his wives, Macele didn't accept them with her all heart, but they are shocked why Macele accepting Makwela. They are friends with Makwela. All the time Musamseleku was forcing Macele to be with the Musamseleku's wives. That's why we saw since season 1 they were pretending. Those people, they were pretending to be together and not to show people how they feel to each other. Macele doesn't like them on cameras, but she was pretending. Macele started showing her true colors on season 7. She says she doesn't want to be on family trip. She is choosing herself. Musamseleku's wives, when they are on family trip, Macele, she is not there. All the time Macele was forcing herself, but you can see that this woman deep down, she doesn't want to be with Musamseleku's wives. Now they are shocked Mangwabe, Mayeni, and Makhumalo. Macele loves Makwela. She is taking Makwela out because Macele is playing a game with them. Mayeni said that Macele is pretending like she loves the wife number 5, but deep down, Macele is not happy because Msamseleko asked his wives on season 2 or season 3 about the wife number 5. Macele says she doesn't have a problem. Mayeni says no. Macele, she can say it's okay, but deep down, she is not okay. You know that sometimes Macele want to go opposite with the Musamseleku's wives. When Makhumalo says this, she want to go opposite, especially Makhumalo, because Macele have a mindset that Makhumalo want to control everything. Musamseleku said that's why Macele want to be on Makwela's side because she want Makhumalo and Musamseleku not getting along. Musamseleku to be on her side every time. Macele is playing a game with Makwela. Makwela didn't open her eyes and saw that Macele is playing a game with those wives, because if Musamseleku's wives Mangwabe, Makhumalo and Mayeni, when they accept Makwela, what's going to be happen? Macele is not going to accept Makwela or to be in the same group all the time. Macele, because even we watch season 1 to season 4, Macele was attending everything with the Musamseleku's wives. Those people are pretending, guys, shopping together. What Musamseleku says, my wife, they are shopping together. They are doing it for content. That's why on season 7, season 6, season 7, they start to show us the real they are. They stop pretending now on cameras. All the time they have got drama, guys, behind the cameras, even since season 1, but we didn't see all the drama. They start showing us the real they are on season 7, that Mayeni doesn't like Makhumalo, what Macele what doesn't want Musamseleku's wives. Macele didn't accept Musamseleku's Istanbul or polygamy, but Macele accept Makwela to help Musamseleku to pay lobolo for Makwela, the bride price. Musamseleku was admitted. Imagine, guys, Musamseleku was admitted, but Macele helped her husband to pay the bride price. That's why Makhumalo was asking. Macele didn't want those wives. She want to play a game. When Macele accept Makwela, Mangwabe, Mayeni and Makhumalo, especially Mangwabe and Mayeni, they are threatening to leave Musamseleku. That's why Mangwabe took a decision for not leaving Musamseleku. Macele was asking why Mangwabe she is still doing here. It's her husband. And Macele can't play a game with Mangwabe and Makhumalo. Those people, they know what they are doing. Because sometimes you can say you want to play a game with those wives, but you end up losing the game. All the time when they are together, Mayeni, Mangwabe, and Makhumalo, nowadays they are being united, even they've got misunderstanding, but they can say the one thing together because they know Macele the way she is.